How to pay with credit or debit card online on Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to pay quickly for your Shack order, well here is how to use a credit or debit card online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply sign in with your account and once logged in, you can build your order by selecting your Shack location and menu items. And there, when your card is ready, you can just click on the checkout and confirm your pickup and delivery details first. And after that, under the payment method, you can choose credit or debit card and enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. And once you're done with it, you simply have to double check the information and then hit pay now, and your payment will be processed securely and you'll get on-screen confirmation. And with that, just a pro tip is that you can save your card in your account for faster checkout next time. And there you can store multiple cards if needed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.